Are you annoyed by the spam emails you keep getting every single day? There is actually a very simple solution, and all it requires you is to use the temporary email. What is a temporary email, you might ask? So there are these websites that offer this 10-minute temporary disposable email that you can use for the specific websites to get the discounts on the newsletters or just specific registrations that you need to do like one time and get a specific product from it. It's actually super simple. I'll go over how to use it and how it actually works. Let's go. So today we're gonna go over the website called tempmail.org. It is one of the most common websites used for this temp mail. They actually offer the App Store and the Google Play Store apps, so you can get it on the phone as well. It's actually top left right over there. And if you open the website, it will generate your 10-minute disposable email. So as you can see right here, this is the email that I got over here. And if I click copy to clipboard, I can use it on any website to get the newsletter discounts or any kind of, spam that I just need to get rid of once, and that's it. It will no longer fill out my normal email, and I can have my normal email be clean, secure, and spam-free, hacker-free, basically. It's very nice. So I actually am going to use this email on this website called Crop. I actually buy a lot of clothes here, and they offer this 15% discount on newsletter. It's actually pretty sick. It's usually for the first time registration, but I keep going as a guest and I keep using these temporary emails. So I keep getting 15% discounts. It's actually pretty sick. So if I go to this website right here, I copy the clipboard and I go back to the newsletter, all I have to do is just paste my temporary email, click I accept, and then generate or, send. And then once I wait it out, it says 15% discount will be sent to your email. I go back to my temp email. I wait a second. I click refresh. I wait it out, and it will send me that email to confirm my newsletter registration. Again, this works for any website. The email works fine. So here we go. I just got my email. All I have to do is confirm that this is my email. I click confirm. It opens the website. It will say, thank you for subscription. Perfect. Thank you very much. I go back. I go back to the list, and I wait for my newsletter code. And now once I give it a few seconds, I click refresh again. And as you can see, I got my newsletter code right here. If I click this, they gave me the 15% code for the newsletter registration. It was simple as that. You don't need to use your real email. You don't need to get spammed by a bunch of these companies selling your data, all of that stuff. It takes you 5 seconds. You go to this website, you get the email generated, you copy paste it into the other website, and then you get a bunch of these codes or whatever you need to do. You can just make like accounts for forums on whatever, just use a temporary email and it's set. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to help you out. Share this tip because a lot of people have a bunch of spam in their real email and it just makes no sense. Hope you guys like this video. I know it was a short one, but I wanted to go straight to the point, explain what this is for and how it works, and help some people out. If you got this far into the video, make sure to drop a like. It is free, and I mean, if you got this far, you probably liked the video, right? So drop the like, help me out. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. I'm sure you're gonna like my last video. You can check it out right over here. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.